Hello, we are here with Ismayil from peakvisa.com. He is the art director for one of the biggest travel tech companies in the Middle East. So today we're here with him. He just finished his 5-day course in culture of innovation and entrepreneurship, and we're going to ask him a few questions to see his biggest learnings, his biggest takeaways, that way you can learn from him. So how are you today, Ismayil?
I'm perfect. I love it. I love the weather. I love the program. I love everything here because it's welcoming.
Welcoming, that's a very good word to describe Silicon Valley. So tell us, culture is a very important thing for all companies. Fundamental of success is talent, retention, the leadership, the way they put the vision out there. Tell us your biggest learnings about this week, what you learned about that, how will you come back home and implement all your learnings?
First of all, as I said, I'm an art director, right? And I've never been into like business environment at all, because my background is design, arts field. So it is a good environment to feel it. And as I see, everyone here is enjoying it. It is not pain for them, because they have a good workspace. They have open-minded people around them. They have very modern solutions for their works to invest in the future and also invest in themselves. So I love design thinking part of the program, as I'm into the design, and the workshops are perfect. They are more interactive, they are more talkative, asking questions, and I'm grateful to all the speakers that they accepted our questions in very detailed answers, and I think I'm going to implement them in my company when I go back to country, because they're very helpful and they bring teammates together to make more efficient solutions and to bring the company front in terms of competition.
That's awesome. That makes SVIC very happy that you learned all of those things. So, before finalizing, let's just look at the camera and tell all of our followers are there that are wanting to join this program specifically to learn about culture. What are your advice and your tips for them to come here with a different mindset, or what do you feel would have been better if you knew before you were here?
Hey guys, if you want to come here, first of all, try to learn some terms in business field that I was actually having a hard time to understand. Then I went back to hotel and tried to Google some of them to know what's going on here, because my background is different. So if you are in a different background, please research. Then try to be open-minded, talk to different kinds of people. Like I met a lot of good people here. I met Joshua, I met those German guys here who are into biological science, even if I'm not into, but it's cool to know some guys from fintech, some guys from biological science, some guys from data science, because when you talk to them, it's not about business, it's about the worldwide view that you are going to get from those guys, and be thankful to them. Thank you.
Great, thank you so much.